In 3, 2, 1, unveil! Wow!
Dagdag atraksyon ngayon sa Botanical Garden ang isang pares ng higanteng cowboy boots. Isa itong regalo mula sa San Antonio, Texas, bilang simbolo ng pagkakaibigan ng Baguio City at San Antonio, Texas. Naglaan naman ang lokal na pamahalaan ng isang tribute garden sa Botanical Garden para sa sister city, kung saan ang disenyo ay hango rin sa ganda ng San Antonio, Texas. Nagpaalala naman ang designer ng naturang tribute garden sa kahalagahan ng green spaces at green infrastructure.
The parks, public green space connects people to each other and provides really, when you think about it, in its most simplest terms, is green infrastructure that promotes community. So I hope that this is something all of you cherish. We are looking forward to continuing to collaborate with CABSAT because we know that this is just the start of a vision, but not the entire vision.
Ayon naman sa alkalde ng San Antonio, ang Texas Garden na ito ay isa ring paalala sa mga elected leaders na patuloy na isulong at ipaglaban ang kahalagahan ng green spaces, lalo na para sa susunod na henerasyon.
It roots and grounds me in my own Filipino heritage. It reminds me of my obligations as an elected leader, and it speaks of a cherished relationship between Baguio and San Antonio communities and beyond. In these challenging times in our world, let us continue to build bridges and plant gardens for which our children will harvest.
Dagdag naman ni Mayor Magalong, bukod sa gandang dala ng Texas Garden na ito sa lungsod ng Baguio, sinasalamin din nito ang matatag na pagkakaibigan ng dalawang syudad bilang testamento ng pagkakaisa.
The San Antonio Texas Garden represents more than just a tribute to our sister city. It is a space for harmony and unity where people can gather and reflect and celebrate the beauty of international relationship and friendship. Just as the flowers and greenery here will continue to grow, so too will be our commitment and our relationship, working together, learning from each other, and creating opportunities for both our cities.
Ang higanteng cowboy boots na ito ay isang replika, nahango sa iconic 12-meter high cowboy boots na likha ng late artist na si Bob Wade noong 1979 sa Washington, D.C. na tinaguriang world's largest cowboy boots. Conan Gulapa para sa PIO, Baguio Balita.